Hi there, it's me again. From our previous video, I have given you an introduction about SwiftPOS, which is the software tool we use for point of sale system in our business. So from this particular video, I'm gonna tell you about products and gonna show you how to do product editing, which is a tool I'm using in my daily basis. So let's go for the product record first. When you go to the product records, you can see all the products you have been entered to the system. So these are the products we are using in our terminals. From this top grid, so all these are for you to search your products. For example, you can either type your description for the product or supply code, or otherwise you can give you the product code or PLU number, which is in here. Let me show you one of them. So let's think we want to get this product. So I'm going to type that number and then it will sort out and give you that product from here. Same as the barcode. So you can either enter barcode, and from this area about categories and groups. So if you want to check a list of products, for example, let's think you want to take all the cleaning products you have in your business. So once you give that one, it will show you only all the cleaning supplies you have. And also this category is another very special key feature which are mainly used for document printing and customer receipt printings and kind of stuff. So all these are we have been like for the groupings, the products. How we do them is you can see here the category and group setup. So when you go there, you can see master group, product groups, and category printing. So all of them are have been linked to these products, and then that's how we get printed out. And I will tell you more brief about this in my future videos. So and this family option also another interesting feature. So for example, we have give you some family options, and if you click one of them, it will give all the things we have entered for that family. Especially these are, for example, if you go for the touch setting and let's go for the keyboard and let's go for the coffee mate. For example, if you want to make a coffee, you can simply select one of this button, but you have to make sure to write it down on your docket. So what kind of a coffee you want, what is the size of the coffee, what is the extras you're gonna add, how many sugars you want. So for all these, how you do is, so once you click this button, so it's supposed to give you a drop down list, and then from this post link, I have connected all these families to this product. So this copy size, it will give you drop down list for the copy sizes, and in milk you can select either milk types and syrups and extracts. So same as the all others as well. So that family also doing a huge part of this. And now let's move forward for inside of a product. uh, let's go for this product. So, and also one more thing. So about the groups I have discussed here and the categories, they are here as well. They are the same one. So in here we have grouped this product as a toy. So in category also we have put the same name because it's easy for us to get in our print. And even here you can see the stock on hand and all these ones. I'll show you when we go inside as well. But before, yeah. So when you go inside of a product, you can see the product header. So from this product header area, you can see these non-inventories, purchase, recipe, product item, and combo items. So these are kind of another type of categorized we have put. So for example, this toy is a purchased items, which is we bought from outside and then we sell again. But sometimes we make, for example, if we do like cocktails and kind of stuff, we use this feature and then we put the recipes for that one. So we can play more with these things in future. uh, and also, so this is the price grid. So for this particular product, so this is the selling price for that one, and then you can see the gross profit percentage. So this depend on the cost of the product. So this product we buy it for $2.15, and then we sell for $4.95. So that's why the gross profit is come as 52. And so these are the buttons. For example, if you want to enter a barcode for this product, so it is here. You can enter, and these are the families I have discussed before. So you can simply select family and enter this product into the families and suppliers. So you can enter suppliers and we get a supply code. So these are mainly you need when you do the inventory management. So it's easy when you have a supply code and when you have entered suppliers. So these are the recipe items I have discussed. For example, if it is a cocktail or something, we can recipe it here. So we can add and then give it how many amount of particular products we put to create this product. Even for the wine or any liquors, we can put like how many amount of liquor we put. So something like that. And also you can get the informations about that one and languages, which I have discussed in a previous video. And this one is another important part, associations. So you can go there and then check what are the families you are using and the suppliers and everything is here. And also if you have connected this one into a keyboard, it will show you how many keyboards you have connected that one as well. Unfortunately, this product is not connected to the keyboard because we just scan this one from the barcode. And also these web settings also for if you use a QR code, and then you can give an introduction about this product. You can enter product details to here. And this system analysis is another important thing. You can check how many product you have sell in the particular time of a period. And for example, so this year we have sell, like for this month we have sell 7 of these items, and in this month we have sell 5 of them. So we can get a rough idea how much we have bring and we have sell from this product. And uh, from this location grid, it show you what are the locations we have. And from this it show for from this store we use only in our village store. So it show us we got 18 stock on hand at the moment, and this one show you when is the last time we done a sell from this product. So yeah, and also you can select the location groups from here, and there are some sort of items we can put the use by dates. For example, milk and kind of stuff, we can put them. And also here is for the case quantities. For example, if you have a package of beers, and if you sell one can of beer, you can put one each here. And also if it is like a 20 carton, you can put the 20 here. And then so when you do the stock count and kind of stuff, it will automatically give you the calculated amounts. So we will discuss further in future as well. And let's move forward to create how to create a product. There's two ways you can create a product. So you can simply go and click new, and then you can get a new, like, make from new beginning. Or otherwise, the easiest way is you can just copy this product and then edit how you want it. And but if you copy this one, the main thing you have to think is if it is in the same category, it's okay. But for example, if you copy from this one, so it will give you a exact copy of that, and then it's still the cell category and group also in the same. So if you still sell create another toy here, it's fine. But let's see, you copied that one, and then you're going to make a drink or something here. Then you have to change the categories for accordingly that. Otherwise, it will be not print over there, and also like it will a little bit mess up the things. So when you create a copy, or if you create a new one, you can just type whatever the name you want. So just I just put random, and then let's put this one actually. And so you can short out the first 16 characters from this product. So if you just press this one, it will give you just first 16 characters. So it will come up when you search in your keyboard, which is I'm gonna show you in our next videos. So yeah. So and finally, so you have to make sure you save that one, or you can, if you have done any mistake, you can just undo those, and then it will be come back. So this is the basic about product editing, and I will show you further actions we can do with these features in our keyboards, how to add the product into our keyboard, and how to use them in our future videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next time.